Hi, I'm Nikhil. I have 6 years of experience, currently working as a product manager at ValueLabs, managing Shutterfly as a client, managing cart and checkout as a domain. So technology management is something which is different from traditional MBA is what I got to know, and exploring further to an extent, I felt that without technology there is no business at all. So when I thought of doing an MBA, instead of going a traditional path, I chose to do technology because there's nothing we can achieve even in terms of business without technology. So one thing is the professors or the teaching staff who teachers are the actual leaders in real world. So we got to exposed to real world problems instead of bookish knowledge. And secondly, the career support which they give, the stage which they give us to perform. From the beginning of our journey until now, it's been 4 years. I completed my MBA, but still the career support has been tremendously helpful for me. IPL doesn't have usual examinations kind of thing, so we usually have Skillathons which helped every one of us to land on a good job after our MBA program. Here we enjoy by doing things, not by reading things. So that's one primary reason. And secondly, we had access to a large alumni basis where we had a large cohort of various experienced people. I was happy to be a part of this program where I got to meet a lot of people and learned a lot of new things from them, which helped me to land where I am right now. Alright, so if someone is aspiring to be a product manager, then first thing which has to be driven is through their interest, and second thing is through the mindset. So product management is not majority of a hard skill, it is kind of a soft skill where it is more of a mindset than a skill set. So the driving factor for them should be their interest and the mindset to be a product manager so that they can achieve whatever they wanted to be.